Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, introduce. My name is Suci Damayanti. My student ID number is 4414-19002. I'm from Chemistry Education Class B, and I'm from Department of Chemistry, Chemical Education Study Program, and Gorontalo State University. I'm from is Group 4, and this is I will present Module 2 with the title is Synthesis of Calcium Sulfate from Limestone. The next is objective is study the synthesis of calcium sulfate limestone. Calcium carbonates are one of the most abundant minerals in the air crust. They occur in the form of limestone and calc, formed from fossils, and marble formed from the metamorphosis of sedimentary rock. Calcium sulfate is one of several sulfate scales and is also called gypsum. Like it can form either as a result of mixing dissimilar water or naturally as a result of change in the temperature as the water travels from the subsurface to the surface treating facility. The next is methods, experimental tools and materials. Tools name category 1 is evaporation cup, measuring flask, drop pipette, sieve, beaker glass, Erlenmeyer test tube, spatula, mortar, analytical balance, watch glass, spray bottle, glass stirrer, and pigeon butter. Category 2 is oven, foam hot distillation apparatus, analytical balance, furnace, vacuum filter. The next is materials names is limestone, chloride acid, aqueous, potassium thiocyanate, sulfuric acid, natrium carbonate, nitric acid, and sodium oxalate. The next is experimental work scheme. In the first is smooth limestone and then sifting, weighing 2.0 gram of already crushed limestone once smooth, and heating in the furnace at 900 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Soap powder pentanol resolved with 50 ml aqueous, 25 ml of 1 molar HCl for 15 minutes while stirring, and concentrated aqua solution by means of heat or vaporized solution not to precipitate is formed. When formed, stop heating and add aqueous drop until the host animal, and add drop by drop 1 molar sulfuric acid while stirring until it formed a solid, while held with coolant if necessary, and filter the sediment that formed and then pat dry. And qualitative text is dissolving solid CaSO4 in 20 ml sulfuric acid solution and add 3 drops of 1 mol KSCN. Next is discussion. These experiments involve several stages, including the following stages of sampling: preparation, synthesis, and qualitative test. The experimental process of taking samples or limestone samples was taken near the river, the village of Bulit, West City, and city of Gorontalo. The preparation stage begins with crushing the limestone first so that the hot limestone evaporates easily, then it is sifted. Being heated to grams of limestone dissolved by 50 ml aqueous and 25 ml HCl 1 molar while mixing continuously for 15 minutes. Then the extractive sludge and the filtrate. It is concentrated by evaporation, but it does not deposit foam. Then the filtrate is added with sulfuric acid 1 molar until while deposits calcium sulfate. Sediment drainer and wedges are procedure 0.6912 grams weight of sediment. The next is to the first qualitative test, adding a few drops from sulfuric acid and 10 ml potassium tricyanate 1 molar to a solution from white to pink with silt. While in a second qualitative test, adding 10 ml of nitric acid solution 1 molar and 15 drops natrium carbonate 1 molar of Bebels. The next is conclusion. If based on the experiment carried out, it can be concluded that limestone is used in making calcium sulfate because calcium levels on limestone are very high. Well, that's a presentation video from me. Hopefully it's useful. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.